Assalamu alaikum class 7. How are you all? I hope you are all well and you will be busy in doing your homework of second week. So here we are with the homework of week 3. Let's start with the subject English. Workbook unit 2 page number 3. You have to do reading. Check up. 4 answers are given. You have to do it on your workbook. Then come to page 11. Page 11 topic build up. You have to do it by yourself. Then page number 12 line up. Do it yourself by the help of examples. Then next page is page 13 grammar shape up. You have to do it by yourself with the help of examples. Next page is page 14 conversation. Talk it up. Number 1 read, listen and practice. Give it a reading. You have to do reading of this page, and then after reading answer the questions given at the end. Move to page number 15 writing. Write it up. Writing with contractions. And number 1 remember, you have to do this point by yourself. Contractions have been taught to you in class and you have to apply it in your work by doing it yourself. Okay, next subject is computer. Unit number 4 short question answers are given. You have to do it on your neat notebook. Answers are given here. All the short questions, their answers are given. You have to do them by yourself. Up to part G, the answers are given. Then next unit 9 short questions. You have to learn A, E, F, G and H part. Then you have to learn table 9.1, which is on the page number 140. And the next is learn application based questions of unit number 9. Then write 5 advantages of internet on your neat notebook. That means you have to revise unit number 9 as well. Let's move to next subject, which is SST. Chapter number 18, the last steps to independence. And you have to do, first of all, you have to do reading of this chapter, and then you have to write down the answers of questions. First is fill in the blanks. You have to do it on your neat notebook. Then detailed questions, their answers are given. Question number 1, its answer is here. You have to write it on your neat notebook. Next question number 2, question number 3 and 4. There are 4 detailed questions. You have to write them on your neat notebook and you have to learn them as well. You have to also revise chapter number 1 and 2 from the notebooks. Let's move to subject science. Unit number 4 nutrition and digestion in animals. First page is page 62. The topic is food, glorious food. You have to do exercise questions. Question number 1, 2, 3. These are related to page 62 and question 4 as well. You have to write them on your neat notebook and you have to learn them as well. Let's move to next page, finding out about page number 63, finding out about carbohydrates. All the questions relating to page number 63 are solved for you. You have to write them on your neat notebook and you have to learn them as well. The next page is page 64, finding out about fats and proteins. These questions are relating to page number 64. Question number 1, 2. You have to do them on your neat notebook. Next topic is food isn't everything, and it is on the page number 65. You have to do exercise questions. Question number 1, 2. Question 3, their answers are solved here. Question number 4 and 5. These are all on the page number 65. You have to write them on your neat notebook and learn them as well. And now you have to draw a table of vitamins from page number 65 as well on your neat notebook. Next topic is a balanced diet, page number 66. You have to do exercise question. This page has only 2 exercise questions, question number 2, 1 and 2, and their answers are mentioned over here. You have to write them and you have to learn them as well. You have to revise unit 5 as well, which you have done in your class. Now let's move to next subject, which is maths. Page number 92, unit number 7, and exercise is 7A. Question 1, 2, 3 is solved over here in this sheet. Question number 4 is also solved here, and you have to do the remaining question by yourself. Then next is exercise 7B. Question 1 is solved over here. It is objective type question. You have to do it on your book. Then question number 2 is also solved. Question number 4 is solved here, and the remaining parts are given to you to do by yourself. Next is exercise 7A. Question number 1, 2, 3 is solved here, and do remaining parts by yourself. Next is exercise 7D. Question 1 is solved here. Question 1 and 2 are objective type. You have to do them on your book, and the remaining question 3, you have to solve it on your neat notebook, and remaining parts are given you to do by yourself. Question 4 is also solved here. So that was your math subject. Now the next subject is Urdu. اردو اے میں سبق ہے غریبوں کے حاجت روا. اس کی پڑھائی کرنی ہے اور سوالات کے جوابات تحریر کرنے ہیں، جو کہ صفحہ نمبر 13 پہ ہے، اور یہ آپ نے کاپی پر کرنا ہے. سوالات کے جوابات آپ کو یہاں لکھ کر دے دیے گئے ہیں. جواب نمبر 1 ہے، 2 ہے. پھر آ جاتے ہیں نعت کے پہلے اور تیسرے شعر کی تشریح نظم اور شاعر کے حوالے سے کرنی ہے، اور یہ آپ نے خود کرنی ہے. پھر اگلا سوال ہے، سوال نمبر 5. نعت کے مختلف اشعار کے بارے میں آپ نے لکھنا ہے، اور یہ آپ نے خود کتاب پر کرنا ہے، یہ کتاب پر کرنا ہے آپ نے. اور سوال نمبر 6 آ جاتا ہے، جو کہ آپ نے کاپی پر کرنا ہے. اور اس کے علاوہ نوٹ لکھا ہوا ہے کہ درج ذیل اسباق کے الفاظ، معنی، الفاظ، جملے، سوالات کے جوابات اور معروضی سوالات یاد کرنے ہیں آپ نے. پھر اردو بھی حرف کی تعریف اور اس کی اقسام بیان کرنی ہے، یہ کاپی پر کرنا ہے. حرف کی تعریف یہاں دی گئی ہے اور اس کی اقسام دی گئی ہیں، جو کہ 6 ہیں: حرف جار، حرف عطف، حرف علت، حرف اضافت، حرف بیان، اور پھر حرف تشبیہ. یہ آپ نے سارا کام اردو بی کی کاپی پر کرنا ہے اور اس کو زبانی یاد بھی کرنا ہے. آگے چلتے ہیں اپنے آخری سبجیکٹ کی طرف، جو کہ ہے اسلامیات. سبق ہے رسالت کی ضرورت و اہمیت، اور اس کے مشق دی گئی ہے. مشق جواب نمبر 3 ہے، جو کہ یہاں ڈاٹڈ فارم میں ہے. صفحہ نمبر مینشن کر دیا گیا ہے. آپ نے پورے جوابات لکھنے ہیں اور خالی جگہ پر کرنی ہے، جو کہ بک پہ کرنی ہے. پھر زکوٰۃ کن چیزوں پر فرض ہے، چند اپنی کاپی میں لکھیں. یہ آپ اس کی بک سے مدد لے سکتے ہیں صفحہ نمبر 18 سے. پھر آ جاتا ہے جو زبانی آپ نے یاد کرنا ہے کام، وہ ہے سورۃ التکاثر یاد کرنی ہے. اگلا سبق ہے تقویٰ. سبق کی پڑھائی کرنی ہے اور اس کی مشق آپ نے حل کرنی ہے، جس کے جوابات آپ کو یہاں مینشن کر دیے گئے ہیں. جواب نمبر 1، جواب نمبر 2 اور صفحہ نمبر یہاں مینشن کر دیا گیا ہے. آپ نے پورے جوابات تحریر کرنے ہیں. اگلا سوال ہے قیامت کی نشانیاں کون کون سی ہیں. کوئی سی 10 اپنی کاپی میں لکھنی ہے، یہ آپ نے خود سے کرنا ہے کام. پھر صفحہ نمبر 8 ہے، دعا 3 اور 4 یاد کرنی ہے. اور پھر سبق صحابہ کرام کے سوال جواب جو ہیں 4، 5، 6، یہ آپ کی ریویژن کے طور پہ دیے گئے ہیں، یہ آپ نے یاد کرنے ہیں. فضول خرچی کے سوال 1، 2 بھی یاد کرنے ہیں، اور نماز کا طریقہ بھی یاد کرنا ہے. So class 7, this was all about your homework of week 3. I hope you have understand it well, and you will do it carefully. Do remember some students don't do their work carefully of week 1. So be careful this time and do your work neatly. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.